It really helps with removing all my dead skin. The first layer of your foot skin will start to peel. Then apparently there's another layer, so it's gonna peel again. It's like a never-ending process. Yes, it's disgusting, but very satisfying. Hey there! How are you doing today? Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Kristen and I produce travel, lifestyle, and beauty content. Let's travel around the world and try new things together, so make sure you hit the subscribe button. So today I'll be showing you my Korean skincare haul. Have you ever tried any Korean skincare products? Well, if you haven't, you're really missing out on life. So I went to South Korea last year and I asked my tour guide how the Koreans keep their skin looking so young, so youthful, and so glowing. So my tour guide told me that starting at a young age, Koreans were already trained on how to take care of their skin, like exfoliating, moisturizing, using SPF in preparation for them growing up, and it just becomes second nature to them. And it's not just for girls, okay? Korean boys are as equally invested in their skincare routine. Previously, I did a Korean beauty haul. It was a huge haul. Makeup, skincare, all of that. You can watch it on the link below. I hoarded a lot of stuff when I visited South Korea last year, but this time, most of my products came from Carlo. So I'm going to be showing you guys some of the stuff he got me. For the first product, we have Nature Republic Real Super Green Cleansing Water. How the bottle looks. This is actually my second bottle. We have Nature Republic over here in the Philippines. This is very effective in removing my makeup, so I use this as a makeup remover. Next, we have the Luke Hydrogel Eye Patch for eye puffiness. So when you open it, it comes with sachets like this, and in each sachet we have one for each eye. So this is very effective. I've been using this for a couple of months now, and it really helps bring down the eye bags. Next, we have the Dreamwork Trick Frozen Yogurt Sleeping Pack. Everything is in Korean, but then I researched online on what it does. I haven't actually tried it out yet, so this is like a bit of like a first impression kind of thing. It's a cool yogurt pack ice to change skin firmly, and it's a cooling pack. Oh, it's supposed to help moisturize dry skin. So my skin's actually pretty oily, but I guess like if I'm traveling somewhere dry with snow and it's winter time, this will be really helpful for me. We have this. Let me take it out from this. Ooh, let me pop it open. Got like a little spoon here to make things easier. We have the yogurt. Okay, oh my god, the spoon fell. Anyway, for me, I'm not a big fan of the scent. It's pretty strong. It kind of smells like I'm not a big drinker, but obviously like when I go out with my friends, they make me try some drinks, but it honestly tastes like some fruit cocktail. Not a big fan of the smell. So I did some research online on how to use it because I have no idea because everything's in Korean. It says, in the last step of the night care skincare routine, take a proper amount and spread it all over your face, avoid the eyes, massage it, and then make it absorb. And the next morning, you're supposed to wash it off with warm water. Yeah, I'm looking forward to trying this. Maybe I'll be reviewing this for you guys pretty soon. Next, we have the Moly Pureness 100 Collagen Mask Sheet Elasticity. Yes, it's a really long name. Let me go explain the benefits of the sheet mask. I personally like using collagen. I take collagen pills. It helps with the elasticity of your skin. For this product, it's supposed to revitalize and rehydrate, boosting elasticity. I was correct. For soft and firm skin that radiates renewed health. It comes in this pack of 10. Other than taking collagen pills, I use collagen sheet mask almost every other day. Next, we have the Moly Red Ginseng Mask Sheet. So ginseng is a popular product all over Korea. I went to a ginseng store myself. It has very helpful and healthy benefits for your body. For a sheet mask, I wanted to research a little bit. I haven't tried it, but according to the reviews, the smell is pretty strong. So according to the translation that I read, red ginseng is supposed to leave your skin fresh and a tad bit young. Oh, it also says here that it shines skin and it might be a bit too strong for those with sensitive skin according to the reviews that I read online. These are some of the benefits of Korean ginseng. Helps maintain healthy estrogen levels. Oh, it helps with metabolism, weight loss. Improves nervous system. Oh, and it also says here, ideal for skin rejuvenation, better complexion, and youthfulness. So if you want to look really young, youthful, red ginseng is for you. Next, we have the Purita Aqua Snail Essence Mask. So I know what you guys are thinking. Snail mucus? Ew. Guys, snail mucus has so much benefits. Let me go read them out for you just so you guys stay informed. So this has various moisturizing ingredients. It maintains your skin soft and healthy shape. It is also said that slimy snail mucus is said to aid human skin by hydrating, preventing skin from aging. And this also improves your wrinkles and scars. The glycosidic acid in snail mucus is said to help your skin produce collagen and elasticity, which helps even out skin tone and helps smooth its surface. Next, we have the Me Factory Cement Peel-Up Mask. So I've been using this for over a year now and I've been loving it, which is why I asked Carla to buy me 2 more. This is always sold out. My friends came back to Korea a couple of times and they just couldn't find the product, so I was so lucky enough for Carla to get this for me. So this is said to help with blackheads and help firm your skin, which is why like when you put it on, let it dry, it starts to tighten after a while. When you remove it, you can feel the blackheads coming out. It's not as painful, and also you can feel your skin tighten a little bit. So I'll be doing a separate review on that, so watch out for it. Now over here I have the ADBO Peeling Gel, which is exfoliator. This is very similar to the Pura Natural Aqua Gel, which is a very popular Japanese exfoliant. You just put this on your skin, rub it around, and you can see the dead skin coming out. Last but not the least, we have my favorite in the whole wide world, the Double Effect Foot Peeling Mask. Really helps with removing all my dead skin. The first layer of your foot skin will start to peel, then apparently there's another layer, so it's gonna peel again. It's like a never-ending process, you know? Yes, it's disgusting, but very satisfying. I also have here 2 SOMEBYMI products, which I fully reviewed in a separate video. Please don't forget to check it out. The link is in the bio. Alright, that is it for my Korean skincare haul. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to follow me on the Instagram. So I'll see you guys next week when I upload a new video. Have a great and awesome day.